Do you have caca?
No.
Look at mommy. Natalie, do you have caca?
No.
Are you sure?
Paper.
Yeah, I see the paper. Do you have caca?
No.
You sure? No, you're not sure, or you have caca?
No.
You sure? Mommy thinks you have caca.
Mommy.
Mommy thinks you have caca in your booty. Do you have caca? Do you have caca in booty? Do you have caca in booty? Natalie, do you have caca in booty? Yeah? You have caca in booty or no? Do you have caca booty?
No.
If I look at your booty and you have caca, I'm gonna give you pow pow. Do you have caca in booty?
No.
Are you sure?
I sure.
Okay.